I get this question quite regularly. Why do I have a sewer gas smell? I smell outside or inside my house. Hi, I'm Jim the Grumpy Plumber, and this might help you out. You have your house which has a septic tank, or where you have the septic tank and you have the house, a basement or a crawl space, okay? What causes a lot of time, it's a wind coming over the top of the house and drawing the sewer gases out of this vent. You go to your septic, it has two openings on it. You dig it out, the one closest to your house. Then when you open it up, you'll see the pipe on the inside, and then you take that pipe and you put a 90-degree elbow on it, just so it breaks below the water line, a couple inches. That will react as a trap and stop the sewer gas from you smelling it when you're outdoors or even inside, because if you have a window open, it can come inside and it can be pretty gross. So there, I'm Jim the Grumpy Plumber, and if you don't like that answer, ask your politician, because you know he's not doing anything right.